Alright guys, it's Neil here with Wondershare FilmoraGo. We're here to help you create your videos anywhere on the go. So today we're going to dive into keyframes. So what is a keyframe? Keyframe is like a marker for parameters for changes in sections of your video. So it could be a change of speed or a zoom in and out. Keyframes are little markers to dial in the info, and they look a little bit like this. They're also really useful for tracking stickers, which is what we're going to do now. So I'm going to show you how you can use keyframes with stickers in FilmoraGo to create some really cool, fun effects. Okay, so we're going to go into the FilmoraGo app, and we're going to import our clip, which is just me sort of moving around in my kitchen. I'm just going to delete the start of the clip that I don't really need by selecting the clip, then the split tool, and deleting the first bit of the clip. Okay, so now we've got all the clip that I want to use. So now I'm going to go to my sticker option. I'm going to go through the sticker packs. I'm basically looking for a sticker that I can stick over my face. So like an emoji or something like that. So I'm going to go through the sticker packs, loads here to choose from. Here we go, animated emoji pack. Use this one, and I use this one with the shades because I am really cool. Okay, I'm just going to line it up at the start so they both start at the same place. And I'm just going to click my keyframe icon so that we start doing the keyframes. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep going through my video clip and moving the emoji so it lines up with my head, and it will automatically create keyframes. You can see the keyframes getting created on the sticker timeline. So you can make the emoji bigger or smaller by pinching, and you're just going to move it so it lines up with your head all the way through, or my head all the way through. Okay, now once you've done that, you're just going to go in and fine tweak it. So as you can see, it goes out of sync a little bit here. So we're going to go in and put in more keyframes just so it moves with my head, so my head's covered the whole time. So just go through the clip, and anywhere where it goes out of sync with your head or your face, then obviously you're just going to move the emoji so it covers your face. If you move forward, you might need to resize the emojis, make it bigger, move back, resize the emoji, make it smaller. Just basically so it follows your head around the screen. As you can see, it creates new keyframes wherever you move the emoji to. It's quite important to make sure your whole head is covered the whole time, otherwise the effect doesn't really work. So once that's all done, you're just going to chop off the bits at the end that you don't need from the video clip and the emoji clip, and then just go to export and export the video or share it to your social media using keyframes to get this really cool little effect with this emoji.